Natin tong ENC 2104 Infinity High Kappa pistol. So shoutout kay Sir Ralph. So naka metal slide, metal din yung frame, naka fiber optic sights, front sight. So threaded barrel, may under rail na for attachment, and then meron siyang Infinity engraved markings. Ayan, ito yung sa kabilang side. So magazine capacity is 26 rounds. Chrono check natin, 331, 304. Okay, so naubusan ng gas. Pagas G. So ito yung unit, guys. Price pala nito is 4,300. Budget meal, ano, pistol lang. Ayan. So nag-slide lock na siya. Okay, so for more details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mav